In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to find a midpoint in Google Sheets on desktop. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop. You can do this in any modern web browser. Make sure you're looking at the sheet that contains the two numbers you want to average, often listed side by side, like values in column A and column B. The midpoint, in simple terms, is just the average of two values, so we'll calculate it with a quick formula. Next, click the cell where you want the midpoint to appear. It's a good idea to place your result in a separate column so your original data stays untouched. For example, if your numbers are in A2 and B2, you might click on C2 to hold the midpoint. Now, enter the formula that adds the two values and divides by 2. Start with an equals sign so Sheets knows you're typing a formula. If your numbers are in A2 and B2, type A2 plus B2/2 and make sure the parentheses are around the addition. Those parentheses tell Google Sheets to add first, then divide, which is exactly what we want for a midpoint. Press Enter to see the midpoint. The cell will instantly display the result. If the two values are different, your midpoint will fall right in between them. If they're the same, the midpoint will simply be that number. You might see decimals, and that's normal, especially if your original numbers aren't evenly spaced. If you need to calculate midpoints for more than one pair of numbers, you don't have to retype the formula each time. With the cell still selected, look for the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is the fill handle. Click and drag it down through the rows where you want the formula applied. As you drag, Google Sheets automatically updates the cell references, so the formula in C3 will use A3 and B3, C4 will use A4 and B4, and so on. This is a quick way to apply the same calculation across multiple rows. A few quick tips as you go. Adjust the cell references in the formula to match wherever your data actually lives on your sheet. Make sure both cells you're averaging contain numbers. And remember that the midpoint works with decimals and negative numbers too. And that's how you find a midpoint in Google Sheets on desktop. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to double-check the steps while you work.